after he was served an arrest warrant from the International Criminal Court. The former president was arrested upon his arrival at the Ninoy Aquino International.
I'm a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you?
Video clips collected during the incident.
Good morning, Raul po. Ano pong, sir, give me plano lang.
Ano sir, salubungin lang namin sir.
Yung warrant, sir, si-serve
Hindi
nyo.
sir, may taga-PCTC, may taga-Interpol.
Interpol.
Yes sir.
So kayo ang lead, sir?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Kumusta kasi, sir?
Hindi mo pwedeng...
Sige, sir.
Warrant. So, you will just have to pay. Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you? That is a serious illegal detention.
And I want to ask you sir if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that we're asking sir for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 718 of the same statute for murder sir. Buhay ko sir. Buhay ko sir.
Pagkakita na namin ang mga gamot na kailangan.
Sir, this is a police operation. Hindi ko naman sir, ulitin natin ulit sir. Sandali muna. Back to square one. Are you saying I place the former president under arrest?
Dahil matanda pa.
Basically sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany here. May bus dyan. And you will be listen, for the hard way, charter flight.
Chartered flight from... So we need to know bringing our president. Sir, we need to know this information where you are bringing.
Wala sa pay grade ko yung
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
hard way.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Bernie, you will be
That's
for you.
precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano
That's
yung
precisely
Bawal
the right to counsel is something that has to be observed and respected.
Kaya nakipakialam sa kanila yan. Bakit mo ano yung lawyer? Bakit mo ano yung lawyer? Huwag mo hawakan yung lawyer. Huwag mo hawakan. Huwag mo hawakan yung nanay ko!
Tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Matanungan. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
Ako na yung anak ko!
Hihilahin ko yan. Hihilahin ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilahin ko yan. Kakapagpapamas. Pero hihilahin ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to him.
Is that our intention?
Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes sir, hindi pa pasukin sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes sir.
hindi mo
Upon my order.
hindi mo pinapasok.
Yes sir, upon my order sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae.
They can visit you at your detention center.